All right, back in the old neighborhood. Little police activity over there. Ain't no biggie. Anyway, let's see. Where is this warehouse? There it is. Oh, dang, it's packed. Look like it's packed. Everybody's parked outside. All right, let's do this. We still have some hoodies, t-shirts, all on Etsy. The link is underneath the video. Let's go.
Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, SD. What's happening, West Coast? I love Cali. Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, SD.
Never thought we'd be throwing a car meet over here in Logan Heights. I'm just saying, back in the days, that was not that wasn't even a thought, let alone import cars. Things change though, and change is good.
Oh, you gotta go inside, man.
I gotta go inside?
Yeah, you gotta.
I got to? What I had to do first was try to park the car.
You came late.
Oh man, all kinds of obstacles in my way. Oh, everybody's heading in. Let's go check it out.
Welcome in, guys.
What's up? What's up? This is it, huh?
Yes, this is it.
Like I was saying in this video right now, like I never thought there would be a car meet in the hood like this.
Hey, we're trying to change it, man.
There it goes. Yep, change is good. Let's do it.
Always.
Oh, look like they'd be making t-shirts in-house as well. Shoot, they got a backyard over here. So you set all this up too, with along with them?
Yeah, I basically curated everything, basically as much as I
Awesome,
can.
dude. I was trying to have you on the video again.
Oh, thanks, man.
That's why we get the hits.
Hell yeah. Shoot. No, I just want to, bring the community together,
Okay.
So if anything else, we got a lot of stuff going on right now. So we got all sorts of different bills. We're doing open house right
Do you know who's this?
now. This is Skyline Mikey.
Damn.
This is Ross. This is John Ross. Yeah, definitely. I'll introduce you. From Southside.
Oh, is he?
He's from Southside, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's been around for a long, long time.
There he is. We're all playing phone tag.
What's going on, brother? Boom.
Hi, Mary Lou. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You're on the vlog.
Are you already met John?
No, not yet.
John.
We're meeting right now.
How you doing?
Hi, nice to meet you. This is
right,
wild.
the one in that corner right there, like when you walk out.
Oh, the black one?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
What can you tell me about your car?
Oh, it's a 90 R32 GTR.
32. All right, what we got going on?
HKS mild built long block.
Mild. What does
Mild.
that mean?
It's not a 2.8 or nothing like that.
Oh, okay.
It's a 2.7, I guess you could say, because it's 1 mil over. But it's got all the basic stuff.
Yeah, just sprinkle me on this Nissan
N1
knowledge.
pistons, R33 crank. I think it's got an R34 pump. From what the receipt says from HKS Tokyo. So I'm going off of what I'm reading. So I've never seen it physically in my hands, but that's what I'm going off of. Valve springs, but it's got a, I redid the manifold. This is all Cerakoted. That's why it looks clean.
It is
It's got
clean.
ID 1050 injectors. It's
Damn.
got R33 turbos, which is basic.
Damn, that strut tower bar is nuts.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we did.
Stiffy, what's up, player? Look who's on the vlog today.
Right, shit.
I haven't seen you in a while.
I know. This right here, everyone trips off of this thing. That's how you know like HKS did something to this. This ornament they call this. This right here is probably worth like $2,500.
Damn.
Just this.
Just that.
Just this fucking, but it came on the engine. Like people think I bought that shit. No, it came on that shit.
Oh, wow.
What's up, man?
Introduce yourself, bro.
I'm Mikey. Got that 71 Skyline from Team Wildcards. Had it for a good 16, 17 years now.
And you said you bought it off of a buddy?
Yeah, a buddy of mine, Chuck, Marine, brought it down. It's probably been here in California for like 25 years.
Anyway, so you bought the car from your buddy, who's a Marine.
Stock engine, stock everything, no flares, no nothing. A good base, solid.
So at the time when you bought the car, it is going to be a classic car, or already was back then?
I've always been a Nissan guy for the longest time, and then I had a chance to get this one, so I jumped on it. I sold like, I think 2-3 cars just to get it.
Wow.
Yeah, I had to get it. Yeah, so back then it was all signatures, CHP signatures. It's all blue VIN tagged and everything. And me and my buddies, we threw the motor in. First I had RB20 in it, and then I switched up to the 26. We've made a few changes here and there.
This thing sticks out like a sore thumb, bro. Dang, it even has electronics in here.
Yeah. I got the ECU Masters Black. I just put it in like maybe like 3-4 months ago.
I didn't even realize he opened the hood. So according to Mikey, the owner of this car, he said they have a Hoonigan episode. So episode 124, if you'll want to check it out. Don't you guys just love talking about back in the day stuff?
Yeah. It doesn't seem like that long ago until you think about it. Like, damn, fool, we're old as hell, man.
Yeah, we are. I was
Like,
thinking about that
reminiscing of
yesterday.
Qualcomm.
I don't know. You also getting my scooter too?
Oh yeah. What can you tell me about your scooter? What mods you got on there?
This is a tilt deck. This hasn't even came out. It's like
That's gonna be a new thing.
it's like a prototype. And then these are like river wheels. And then the tilt SES. It makes my bars taller. These are infinity tie bars, you know?
Damn.
All right, babe.
Yeah. You know it's gonna be on the channel now, right? So. All right, right in the middle of the trolley tracks, checking out this meet.
Speed's like
Daily.
65, flooring it. You know what I mean?
It could be a bang bus.
It's good. You got all that.
I want to do this thing called bang jeepney in the Fiat.
Bag jeepney. Lowriders is my first love of cars, though.
Oh, was it? Didn't know that. Because it was like the homie Ryan.
I was living in Hawaii, 91 and 94, and the import scene had not hit there yet.
Yeah. We got Rodney over here from Island Minis. He was talking to him about his truck club with his buddies. They're 4 years in. Pretty cool. Everybody here is pretty much from Guam.
Pretty much.
Cool. Cool. Where's your truck?
My truck's a silver.
The silver one, all the way in the far back. What's the backstory in your truck club?
And we're just a bunch of guys, you know, that's into mini trucks. So we decided to just get together and just form this group.
See, this brings me back to the 80s right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're having an annual picnic.
So August 26th.
August 26th. Cool. Is that a Saturday or a Sunday?
Saturday.
This is back in the day stuff right here. I wasn't really into the truck scene back then because, you know, I didn't have no funds to buy anything, but I did appreciate the culture because that's all we saw back growing up back in the 80s. What was your name, bro?
Christian.
Christian? Ernie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So quick rundown on the car. Like, what could you tell me?
Oh, it's yeah, supercharged with DC headers and Titec exhaust. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Built engine, top end, not the bottom, but just the top end.
You built the engine?
I built the engine myself in the garage.
At home?
At home. Cut
Man.
the rings and everything.
Sounds like we need to make a trip to his garage for a tour.
You might want to see my garage. Check out my IG though.
No, I think I want to.
I can open the window.
Oh yeah, that'd be great.
Headers, supercharger. Yeah, those are carb legal.
Carb legal stuff, guys. Don't even trip. What kind of supercharger is that?
That's Whipple, made by Comtech.
Oh, that's my boy Hermie.
Chris Hermie.
You see his plates?
Hey!
You know what that means?
No. What does it mean?
So yo, it's not yours.
Oh shit! I like it. See, gotta say.
I saw the license plate. I was like, oh okay.
But you should see the other
This guy's Pinoy. The other two, you have two more?
Two more NSX.
No way.
The other one is like a silver, and then the other one is orange.
What's your occupation, bro? What do you do for a living?
Retired military.
Oh, were you Navy?
Yeah, I was in the Navy. Now I'm a contractor. DOD contractor.
What year is this one?
94.
94. And then when did you pick this one up?
2011.
2011. So back then, how much was it?
25.
25K?
25K.
No way.
Same price as the new Civic SI.
Oh man.
So between the Civic SI
And then now if you were to sell it, how much would you sell this for?
they go for, I don't know, maybe 60 to 80 depending
Man.
on what you have on it.
That's crazy.
How many miles.
Damn, bro. It's inspiring seeing all your toys. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did enjoy myself. The nostalgia of old school, new school. Damn.
Hey, welcome back to the channel.
Always.
You're a regular.
Hey, thanks a lot.
This is Mikey. He's one of the shirt guys for 5 and a Dime, right?
Yeah. All those hats I embroidered.
Oh, you did all that? That's your work? Oh, that's an embroidery shop right there?
Yeah, we got windows down the ground.
Okay. So you pretty much, that's what you guys do during the week, right? All this.
That's our main gig. I mean, my clothing company is just a side hustle, like 5 and a Dime. Just their little side thing still. Me and Jay that own 5 and a Dime are half owners of the print shop.
So we have the actual owner of 5 and a Dime right here. My cousin used to buy shirts from you guys all the time. Yeah.
Yeah.
When your store was in downtown.
Yeah. We started in 05, and then in 2020 during the pandemic, we had to move the shop out of there.
Oh, okay. So what's the backstory on 5 and a Dime?
Just streetwear store, essentially. Like we sold toys and books and men's apparel, and then streetwear sort of blossomed. We went with that for a really long time, and then
I like how you guys got the car culture.
Yeah, well, that's all part of it, because a lot of the kids that were shopping in the store were, it was a reflection of their
culture, being.
like what they were into,
Yeah.
So the apparel and the cars, and it all sort of
like when I was
lined up. Yeah.
So what could you say about what went on here, or what is going on?
So this is our first time doing a meet here in this location. We teamed up with Speed and Motor Union. Motor Union's is a sort of offshoot of 5 and a Dime. It is the idea of seeing kids coming in the store and also being into like car culture. And so we created this thing. Motor Union, all makes, all models, kind of like being, accepting community. And this is kind of what you see here,
There's a lot of awesome cars here, bro. A lot of awesome cars.
And random, there's lowriders out
yeah,
over there.
Came by.
We had mini trucks.
Body trucks.
We had Volkswagens. We had all kinds of stuff. So that's kind of what it is. And then this building is called the Clubhouse. We do screen printing and embroidery and stuff. And really what it is like, again, it's like taking our brands and creating our own manufacturing for our brands, and then like passing that on to other people,
It's awesome. It's funny how it all, that networking stuff.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%.
Well, thank you for taking the time to talk about your shirt business that I've known about a long time ago, but it's crazy how we meet up again.
Yeah, no problem.
This time with the car culture.
And the plan is to do this like every other month, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to be a regular now.
Yeah.
We need to get down.
All right, just met up these guys. I ordered what did I order?
That is a Trutella Ice.
This is their little menu. I was asking them where their shop was, but they only do pop-ups.
Yep.
So one day they will have a shop.
Yes.
Yes, that's the main goal. Get a shop and get situated, have like a garage as well next to it. Just have people chill and everything, but for now, pop-ups,
And then what are your names?
My name's Renzo.
My name is Sherry.
Yeah, sure.
All right, nice to meet you.
Nice
Cool
to
shirt, by the way.
Thank you.
Snap-on.
Right?
Thank you, yeah.
It's an expensive shirt.
I know, right?
It's like Louis Vuitton of tools right there.
I mean,
Exactly.
Honda perks too.
Yeah, there you go. So check them out. Stay Tuned Cafe, Instagram. Stay tuned right there. Check them out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, I was not expecting this meet to be like this. It was an awesome meet. We're gonna close it out with one of the organizers, Rex, thanking him for the invite like I did earlier. Grateful for events like this. It means a lot to our car culture and the community. This is a dope event that you threw here.
Thanks,
bro.
brother. Appreciate it, man. I try to do it for the community, man. Help promote.
Is this your first big event like this?
That's our first one, basically. Yeah, we just want to go ahead and promote Jason's business and everything got going on with his Clubhouse manufacturing company where he does a lot of screen printing.
Yeah,
you guys need embroidery done. Hit up Jay. He's got a lot of stuff going. You could get hats, shirts, jackets.
Oh yeah.
You guys know where he's at now.
Yeah.
So if anything else, probably try to do this monthly or every 2 months. So right now,
you hear that, guys? If you're in the San Diego area, you're for LA area, North County,
come down.
North Cal, it don't matter. Arizona, come on down.
Come on down, man. We had a good little meet today. So if anything else, man, all
Yeah,
this
dude,
stuff is
I
here
was
for
not
the first one.
expecting it to be this big.
Yeah, it wasn't. So my friend with the cocoa cane with the coconut sugar cane drink, first time being here.
Oh.
Exposing him. Roberto's been here for a while. Been working with him.
Maybe Extra Garage will have a booth one day.
Never know, man.
We'll
Never
see.
know, man.
We'll see.
Stay tuned if anything else. But man, appreciate everybody coming today, man. It's been great. Couldn't be more happier right now. Everyone's happy. Everyone's loved it. So.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, Rex.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming by, Ernie. Appreciate you as well all the time.
that's it. That's all she wrote for this car meet. Hope y'all had a good time watching the video. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.